Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we are heading to ITS Dental Hospital that is in Greater Noida, and every 6 months we go there for regular checkup, and I take kids so that if there is any tooth issue it can be resolved beforehand. So
Mama, I am scared.
it's okay to be scared before visiting
You are
dentist.
scared.
I am also scared, that's true. So stay tuned and let's see what the dentist says about these two kids. George was sleeping, he woke up late, so I have packed his breakfast, and I will feed him in the hospital because there is queue in the hospital and it takes time. So we have to carry food and water with us.
Mama,
Stay tuned.
Mama, do you know how much toothpaste I used?
So Betu has applied a lot of toothpaste today in the morning, but I don't think that is going to help because you have to brush every morning and evening brush he always skips. What about George? Are you scared?
But my teeth are clean.
Alright, let the dentist talk about it. So, stay tuned, guys. Guys, if you are coming by metro, you have to take Aqua Line, and there is a metro station, Pari Chowk, and from there you can get private auto or shared auto as per your need.
George was stuck, you know.
Okay, I want to talk about the reason I come so far, which is around 20-25 kilometers from my place, instead of visiting nearby clinic. So I have had bad experience visiting nearby clinic twice, once with me and another one with Duka. So they spoiled his teeth. They did RCT on his one tooth, and they didn't tell us that the RCT was not done properly, and the tooth is not in a good condition. So when we switched to this hospital, then we came to know that RCT was not done correctly and the tooth has to be extracted. They kept telling us, the clinic doctor kept telling us that please don't extract this tooth, otherwise there will be a gap remaining. But she never told us that the RCT was not done properly and the tooth is worth taking it out. The tooth is not good. So when we visited this hospital, they extracted that tooth and they maintained one steel what do we call, steel bridge or steel wire, so that the gap between the tooth could be maintained and the new tooth could come properly, because they are kids, and if we take out any tooth, we generally think that okay, this tooth is decayed and we should take it out because the new permanent tooth is about to come. But that is not correct. We have to take care of the gap as per the dental hospital. We have to maintain that gap, otherwise the new tooth will not align properly. So this was one experience with Duka, and with me experience was not good at private clinic, because earlier they said that your one tooth is decayed and we will do filling. They did filling. After that I didn't feel good. I said something is not good, and they said let's do RCT. So this was second experience which was not good. I felt that I could have visited this hospital if I knew about it. So I am telling you that please visit this hospital. It is very good. There are two sections in this hospital. One is for the clinic, which is prime clinic, and the second one is the hospital, which is crowded, wherein the interns practice. And believe me guys, the interns do their job pretty well, and I have tried. I have done scaling and they do it pretty well. They just take care that we don't get hurt, and they are always practicing under an experienced person. They have head of the department, and under his supervision only the interns practice. So you can visit and get your treatment done, and don't wait for the toothache to happen. Please, I request everyone, please get your teeth checked up on regular basis and do not delay. Every 6 months get your teeth checkup for your whole family. Yes.
Mama, I did not feel pain when they extracted my tooth because they had put a mask on my face and nose.
Yeah.
What was that?
So if you feel that your kids will get the pain, so they have one treatment wherein they, I don't know, they what is it called? I will check there and let you know. But they have one procedure wherein the child is little bit sleepy. Yes, you were drowsy, right, that day. So they are a bit sleepy and they do not feel the pain. So that also I've tried with Dukkha. But after the treatment, he kept saying, I want to sleep, and we had to travel from far away. So next time onwards, I did not go for that option. So it's up to you whether you want to go with the normal procedure or you want to take this option. So we are heading inside the ITS Dental Hospital. There are two options, Prime Dental Clinic or the normal one. So let's go. These are our cards. Yeah, once you enroll here, you will get a card and you have to get that for every visit. Here are lots of rooms in this hospital. So we have to go to room number 9 and this room is for kids, which is at floor 4. Okay, so Dukkha has got checked up and his one tooth, which one? This tooth has already got a new tooth right under it. So doctor has suggested that we better extract the old tooth, that is the milk tooth, otherwise the new tooth will not be proper, its inclination will be too much. So that is suggested we take out the milk tooth because we have undergone x-ray and it is visible that the new tooth is right underneath it. So we came at the right time, I must say. But Dukkha is a little bit disappointed. He was not expecting tooth extraction, but since he already had breakfast, so it is not going to be painful. So, and we have got 45 minutes time. So till then we will get Jolly's checkup and my checkup done. Show me your teeth. Are you scared? Not at all? Yeah, this light shows your teeth properly. Very scared for dental checkup. Chalo, my checkup is done from room number 8 and they were suggesting scaling because मेरे stains लगे हुए because I am addicted to coffee. But I told them that please don't suggest scaling क्योंकि मुझे बहुत पेन होता है and they said okay, no need to go for scaling. Hooray! All set?
Yeah.
Scared?
No.
Not at all.
क्योंकि पिछली बार कुछ नहीं किया था.
Okay. Are you nervous? How much? Lot. But this is not the first time you are going for extraction.
I know.
Still.
Sometimes it pains, sometimes it doesn't.
Okay. No worries. It will be quick, na? How was your tooth extraction experience?
It did not feel pain.
So Dukkha's tooth extraction was painless. And this baby George, he had fluoride gel application so that the cavities do not attack his teeth, right? Dukkha also had. He also had fluoride application. Dukkha also had fluoride gel application so that his teeth is protected from cavities. And the flavor was strawberry, right? It was yummy?
Yes.
Okay, it was yummy. So kids, please try bread application gel. It was yummy. And Jolly, you liked it? No? You didn't like the gel? Oh, so sad. Alright, so our dental checkup for today is done. And heading back home. After 30 minutes.
3, 2, 1, go.
After 30 minutes, I have to give ice cream. Vanilla cup ice cream or chocolate plain ice cream to Ruka. Until then, bye-bye.
Choo tata.
See you.
Choo mama.
Bye-bye. Say bye, kids.
Bye.
Say bye. Say subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe.